So hello, here is the video showing me trying to charge my batteries. You can see the green light on the charger. I'm going to plug the charger into the battery. So I get this in here. Alright, so it's plugged all the way in. And you can see on the charger here the light's not lighting up. And I go to the top of the battery. I can hold it down. I'm holding it down right now. And nothing seems to be responding at all. And let's see, it's been 30 seconds now. I'll take this out. And let's get to the second battery here. This is the one that actually came in the drone. Again, let me get this lined up here. And we'll push it all the way in. All right. So, it's plugged all the way in. Again, no light on here. If the battery doesn't even want to accept it. And again, I'll hold the button on the top. This one has a little sticker on it. And again, we can see nothing responds at all. Either battery you can see responds. And again, there's a charger. It's green, it's lit up. And again, nothing happening with either battery.